Uh, uh, what's happening? I, uh, I need my music objects. Where are they? Thank God you have my music objects. It's really good having them. They are a part of my life, my home, and thanks for that. Yes. Where are you? Why are you not getting me the music objects? I hope nobody says boo to me. Not in a chance of slightness. Right. This could be happening. It's either now or it's never. Something is fishy. Thank God you got my music objects back. You are really a peaceful maker. Wait. I know what this is. Let me tell you the rules. No broken headphones or any broken objects that are music themed near me. Don't say you hate music or say boo or put any Halloween stuff near me. Why are you not here? Film 4! E4! Marmen, men, mor.